Hello, hello. First of all, thank you, Venkat Garu. Thank you for being a part of RRR. Fantastic being associated with you for this film. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು, ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನೀವೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡು, ಬಹಳ ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ trailer release in the first week of December, and we are going to have I am talking with Venkat Garu. We are going to have a very grand pre-release event in Karnataka. That also we are going to come along with the stars, crew, not just me, Tarak, Charan, Alia, Ajay sir, everyone will be there. At that time we are going to have all the interviews, all the questions you are going to ask, you are going to give the answers. But today, I want it to be all about Janani. I'm not even calling it a song launch. Venkat sir was saying we are launching the song. I'm not even saying it's a song launch. I'm not even calling it a promotional event. Right? When we do promotions, it will be in a much larger grand gala event and all that. Today, I just want to share our thing with our soul of RRR with you. We haven't yet released the song. What I'm going to show you, we haven't launched online yet. I wanted to share with you. You already know from my previous films or from the promotional material we released on RRR, or the fact that we have two big superstars in the film. You know what kind of spectacular events, spectacular sequences, action moments, emotional moments that RRR is going to have. But underlying all those sequences, all those spectacular moments, there is an emotion. Unless there is an emotion, I just cannot go and make a scene or a song or a movie or anything. Behind every action sequence, there is an emotion. Even a mass number like Halinatu that's released and going viral, even that kind of mass number also has an underlying emotion running through it. So if you just go inside those emotions, if you still dig deeper, what is that tying all these emotions together? What is that holding them together? What is that's making them spectacular that they are? There is something at the heart of it. That is what we call the soul of RRR, Janani. And it's not easy to find it. Doing re-recording for a film is one of my most exhilarating experiences, working with my brother M.M. Keeravani. No, because he dissects the film. He says he just doesn't do re-recording for the spectacular action sequences or anything first. He goes to find where the heart of the film is. And once he finds the heart of the film, first he does re-recording for that. He did the same thing for RRR. But he said something is missing. I still need to find that missing spark. I just still need to find it. This went on for 2 months. We are doing RRR for the background score for the rest of the film, but he still didn't find that soul. And suddenly one day after 2 months, he came up and he just composed one music piece, and he extended the music piece, and he said, "Now we found it." And the moment we heard it, it was like, oh my God, this is so heartful, this is so soulful. This is not a spectacular musical extravaganza. It is so simple, but at the very heart, it is so soulful. At the moment, we decided this is the soul anthem of RRR. And today, I want to share it with you. I'm so proud to share that with you. I just want you to experience it. Don't look at like a promotional event. That we will do later. We have so much of time to do it. today I just want you to experience it. Thank you very much. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you.